welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video I'm going to show you how to create a group in Slack. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen you can see options like home, DMs, activity, etc. You have to stay on home. Then right above activity you can see a small pen sign. Tap on it. Then select the people that you want to add to group. Now tap on message. Write your message there. Then hit send. And the group will be created. And guys, that's it. That's how you create a group in Slack. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.